Hey friends, if you wish to change lock screen clock format on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we will do it through the control panel because other options keep changing. So open the control panel, search for it in the Windows search bar and open it. Make sure that view by is selected at large icons. Click on region and then it will show the formats here. You can change the format, the date format, the time format and all. You can change anything that you want to. Click on apply and then on OK, and everything will change here, and this clock will be replicated to the screen as well. And you can again click on it and then select additional settings and click on reset and then click on yes if you wish to reset all the settings, and then apply and then OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.